Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 9592. And before I start, I always counted printed digits. The 4-star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. Well, we'll see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 2 2s, 1 2 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s. Well, 3 8s and 3 9s. So the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 7? That's the question. 7 in this row, 7 in mid row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this third row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Okay, how about, need a 9 here. Yeah. I need a 2 there. I'm thinking 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 need 6 here. And in these 6, yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6, okay. Oh, we have also 4 5s. Well, 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 5 5. Then 5 5. 5. Need a 5 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Need an 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 3 8. 2 3 8 2 3 8 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this row. No 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 3. 3 in the first row. Oh, we have a pair. The 3 and 8 in the first row. The 3 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 8, 8, need 8 there. 8, need 8 here. Oh, wait, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 3 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. The only place left 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 8. 2, 2. Then, let me see, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. Oh, no. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 5, okay. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the... Oh, we already have a 3. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3. 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Difficult. How about here? Should be also 2 and the 3 in the middle row. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, from the row between the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 10 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Cannot believe this. This one is not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.